On Florida's Atlantic coast lies one of the most iconic launch sites in history, Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. Since 1950, this site has been at the very heart of America's journey to space, serving as the launch point for intercontinental ballistic missiles, early satellite, and the missions that carried humans beyond Earth. From here, NASA launched Mercury and Gemini capsules, paving the way for the Apollo moon landings. It was from these launch pads that the world first witnessed American astronauts rise into orbit, carrying the hopes of a nation and the dream of space exploration. Today, Cape Canaveral remains a centerpiece of global spaceflight. Its launch complexes support NASA, the U.S. Space Force, and commercial providers like SpaceX and United Launch Alliance. Rockets lifting off from here deliver satellite, cargo for the International Space Station, planetary probes, and even crewed missions. The station's location on Florida's East Coast is no accident. Its proximity to the equator allows rockets to take advantage of Earth's rotation, gaining extra velocity for more efficient launches over the open Atlantic. For over 7 decades, Cape Canaveral has stood as a gateway to the stars, where history was made and where the future of human spaceflight continues to take shape. Thanks for watching.